Hello London View Dill viewers, today, we're making a coconut dosa or Neer Dosa. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button to join the London View Dill army today. Anyway, on with the video. 1 cup of raw white rice or basmati rice. Soak and grind the rice for 3 to 5 hours. 1 cup of coconut milk from a fresh grated coconut. 1/4 cup of water. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. First, mix all ingredients well until you get a medium watery consistency dough, then pour the dough mixture in a flat circle motion clockwise onto either a non-stick pan, or if you don't have a non-stick pan, use a hot tava to make coconut dosa. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel at London View Dill on YouTube.